Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's LDO video update for Thursday 28th of July. So we do have a pattern right now, and I just want to actually tell you in here in a Google, and this was a rectangle, bullish rectangle that I do see for LDO at the moment. So you went up, came down, went up, moved sideways, and then you start to break to the upside. So the same thing if you apply on the chart right now, this is what exactly you're putting in, and that was a bullish rectangle, and you're breaking out of that bullish rectangle. There's a little bit, actually there's a chance of coming down for the retest here at 1.667 and then bounce off this area, and the next technical target that you're looking for is going to be from here to here, and that's going to take you up to from wherever you're breaking out at the moment. So you're looking for a $4.4 to the upside of the guys. That's really a huge price appreciation, like 130% move to the upside. So can it come down for the retest? It definitely can actually do that, but who knows, you can actually completely just move to the upside as well. Now keep a huge stop loss, okay? That's the technical target that is coming in, but put a huge stop loss at 1.285. If you actually start to take 1.285, then this is not going to be in play anymore, and they're going to be invalidating this bullish pattern at the moment to continue higher. And that's it for this quick update on LDO. If this video gets 50 likes, I'm going to release another part hopefully tomorrow, talking about the next movements as well. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.